Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge. Study
Good evening guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come with part 7 of this European continent. As you know that we have already completed our 6 parts and hopefully I will complete this European continent in 2 more videos. So major physical features of this continent we have already done, but now we are left with the rivers of this continent. So let's start. So guys, have a look on this, the topics we are going to cover in this video. So majorly we are going to do the rivers, Vistula river, Bug river and some of the hills also, mountains also. So guys, let's start with the video now. We are going to start with Vistula river. Vistula river originates from Poland and it flows into Baltic Sea. Guys, as you can see, this is the map of European continent and here you can see this is Poland. And this is the Baltic Sea into which this Vistula river drains out. So let me show you it in another map. Here you can see this is Vistula river which is originating from Poland and it is draining into Baltic Sea and it makes delta over here and it is a north flowing river. So one more important thing you must know that this Vistula river originates from Carpathian mountains. Okay, so let me show where are Carpathian mountains. As you can see this map, this is the map of Europe and these are the Carpathian mountains which you can see which are shaded dark. Okay, as you can see Carpathian mountains lies in Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Ukraine, Romania, some part in Hungary also, as you can see this part. So you can see here the part of this Carpathian mountains lies in Poland and here from originates a river that is Vistula river and it drains into this is Baltic Sea. And guys, one more important thing to know that the capital of this country Poland is Warsaw and this Warsaw is also located on this Vistula river. Now we are going to read about the river that is Bug river, which is the right bank tributary of this Vistula river. So here you can see this is Vistula river. I told you it originating from Poland from Carpathian mountains and draining into Baltic Sea. Now we are going to see this is Bug river which is originating from this country Ukraine and it is a right bank tributary of Vistula river. It originates from Ukraine and then passed from around the border of Belarus and Poland and enters into Poland and then it becomes a right bank tributary of this Vistula river. It merges into Vistula river and then it drains finally into this Baltic Sea. So guys, one more important thing you must know that in the Central Europe there are 2 mountain ranges, that is Carpathian mountain which we have done right now and one is Tatra mountains. These are the 2 mountain ranges in Central Europe. I'm just showing you the Tatra mountains also. So guys, here you can see this map. These are the Tatra mountains which forms the boundary between Poland and Slovakia and some part in Czech Republic also. As you can see, this is Poland and this is Slovakia and this is Czech Republic. So it lies in 3 countries. And these are the Carpathian mountains. The moments back we have talked about these mountains from which originates a Vistula river. So these Tatra mountains, small streams of the rivers came out of these Tatra mountains, but these Carpathian mountains are very much important because majorly the Vistula river originates from here only, right guys? So Tatra mountains, from here only small streams of the rivers are originating. So here you can see that these are the Tatra mountains which are forming boundary between this Poland and Slovakia and some part in Czech Republic also. Guys, I hope these 2 rivers Vistula and Bug are clear to you. Now let us know about Volga river. So guys, this Volga river is the largest river of Europe and it is a river of Russia. That means it flows through Russia entirely and it is discharged into Caspian Sea. Let us see how. Here you can see this is Caspian Sea. As you can see, this is the country Russia which is colored with the grey color and to its east, as you can see, this is the east direction and to its east lies Caspian Sea and to its west lies Black Sea. Right, so you can see that Caspian Sea is touching boundaries with Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, Azerbaijan and Russia. So guys, let us see how this Volga river originates from the Valdai hills and first of all we see where are the Valdai hills. As you can see this map, this is the map of Russia and here this is Caspian Sea, this one is Black Sea and guys here you can see these are the Ural mountains. These are dividing the Russia into European part and western part. As you can see, this part is known as European part and this is known as Asian part of Russia. Okay, now we see where Valdai mountains lie from where originates the Volga river. So you can see it over here, these are the Valdai mountains or Valdai hills you can say, and it lies below the Kola peninsula. If you can see it over here, this is Kola peninsula. I told you in my previous videos So this is Kola Peninsula, which lies in Russia, and below it lies Valdai Hills. So these are Valdai Hills, and from here originates a river, that is Volga River. As I told you that this Volga River lies entirely in Russia, and then it drains into this Caspian Sea, making delta over here. I hope this is clear to you, right guys? Now I am going to show you this map. As you can see, this is Volga River written over here, and it is originating from here. These are the Valdai Mountains, and it is draining into this Caspian Sea. As you can see, this part is Caspian Sea, and it is a river which lies entirely in Russia. And you know that Russia is a transcontinental country which lies in both the continents, Asia and Europe. One important thing you must know here, that this is Kazakhstan. This country is touching boundary with Caspian Sea, but you must have to remember that this Volga River lies entirely in Russia. It do not have any part in Kazakhstan, and it is draining into Caspian Sea. So guys, I think this is clear to you that Valdai Mountains and these Ural Mountains are entirely different. They do not have, they are not interconnected, and they do not have any link. These Valdai Mountains lie to the west of Ural Mountains. Now guys, one more important thing I want to make it clear to you. As you can see, this is Caspian Sea and this is Black Sea. So between these Black Sea and Caspian Sea lies three important countries which are very small in size. You can see this is Georgia, this is Armenia, and this is Azerbaijan. And you can see that this country Georgia, the course of this country Georgia is towards Black Sea. Okay, and the course of this Azerbaijan is towards Caspian Sea. But this Armenia is a landlocked country between Georgia, Azerbaijan and Turkey. And guys, one extremely important mountain, that is Caucasus Mountains, lies over here. It touches three countries, that is this Russia, this Georgia and this Azerbaijan. So these are the Caucasus Mountains. One thing to make it clear in your mind, that this is Armenia, landlocked country. This is not connected with Caucasus Mountains. Only three countries, Georgia, Russia and Azerbaijan. Guys, you can see this map. As you can see, this is Black Sea, this is Caspian Sea, and in between these both the seas, here lies Caucasus Mountains. Okay, so Caucasus Mountain lies between Russia, Georgia and Azerbaijan, and it somewhat lies at the latitude of Bay of Biscay. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now you can see it over here that we have done Vistula River, Bug River, Valdai Mountains, Volga River, Ural Mountains, Caucasus Mountains. Now these topics we are going to read in next video because it would be too long. So guys, till then practice maps as much as possible you can. And if you like my video, please like it, comment on it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.